Alright, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Toyota RAV4 Cruiser, stock reference number 5469. The shape runs from the 10th month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has a 2AZ FE, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, factory fitted alloy nudge bar with all bolts and brackets, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage. Bonnet has no damage, but the clear is peeling. Left power door mirror also faded on the top edge. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, spare wheel cover faded on the top edge as well. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror also faded on the top edge. Right guard appears to have no damage, and the right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Here's the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, climate control heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.